It's coming down!
Welcome to the car time. Power Treads racetrack.
We got this little race car, which is right here.
That's how you put it together.
And we got a bunch of pieces to make a racetrack out of. We can make any racetrack we want.
Look, there's even a ramp. You land on this and it walks.
Look at this track they made.
We're gonna build our own track.
We received this package from Wowee. Power Treads are available at Walmart, Target, Amazon, and PowerTreads.com. You ready to open?
Let's do it. Oh my God!
It's a blue track. I bet this is the vehicle right here. We got a lot to take out.
And that's everything.
We gotta get all these out of the bag and build the vehicle.
Now the vehicle.
We got everything out of the plastic.
This is how you put the piece together.
You just snap it into place. There's so many.
It's gonna take a while.
Where do we start?
Just start putting it on. They're gonna start on.
Now the last thing is the vehicle. First we need to connect all of these pieces.
It's time to turn the car on. Let's see how fast it goes.
Nice! Whoa, it bounces off the door.
Now it's time to build our track.
Let's see if this works. All right, so far so good. Yes. Oh no, the last piece missed. We got it this time. Around the circle it goes. Yeah! It's gonna go around this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, and land.
Right here on this walker. The car lands in it and it walks forward.
Let's put it to the test. Go! So far so good. Into the walker, yes! Catch it! Oh no!
Still going.
Two of his legs
Still
fell
going.
off. And it's still going. It doesn't want to stop. I got it. Woo.
That actually worked really good. It's gonna roll down the book and land on the track.
I like this idea. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2.
Go! Wrong way. Go! Okay.
All right.
It works this time.
Down the book. Oh, it went backwards, but it made it. Where's it going?
No.
All the way to the wall.
Hi. Come here.
Oh, look at all those colors.
I know. Next truck.
We got all these pieces. What are we doing next?
You need 4 of these curves to connect them. We're almost done here. The infinity loop. It looks like a piece of cake. I'm gonna eat it.
Hey, leave some for me.
Sorry, it's all gone.
Oh, where is the car? Here it is. Watch it go around and around.
It doesn't really matter which way it goes. Okay, we're doing this one.
Will it ever stop?
No, it's the infinity loop.
We must stop the infinity loop.
I'm dizzy.
Time for our new track. Now we got a track like NASCAR, except for these ramps.
Let's do the intro.
3, 2, 1, go!
Here it goes. Oh.
Yeah, it works. And we have our wooden blocks right there.
Oh.
Now I'm getting dizzy. We gotta make a course that doesn't go around in circles.
Challenge accepted. I got an idea. It involves the couch. My idea was to start from the couch and go through the course and knock down my tower.
Engines on.
3, 2, 1, go. You will never knock down my tower. Oh, yeah.
It stood tall.
No, it's not getting up.
Uh-oh, spoke too soon. It's coming down.
No, you're not tower.
Did you make a garage out of the tower?
Yes. So he can be trapped forever. You're trapped now.
Wait a second. We still got more tracks to play. This time the car is gonna go into a cave. We have some spectators over here. It's gonna zoom into the basketball and then into the target.
Get this party started.
Into the cave. Get there. Yeah!
Victory is ours!
Ah, it's coming to get me.